In this video, I'll show you how to create Western Union account. First of all, you need to go to the Google Play Store or App Store and you need to search for Western Union. After you will download the app, you need to open it. And in the top right corner, you will see login button. You need to click on this and then you need to enter your email address. Then click on continue. After that, you need to create the password. You can also join the Western Union Rewards program by clicking this button right here. Then you need to click on register. And after that, you need to enter your mobile phone number, or you can use your email address for the verification. So I will use my email instead of my mobile phone. So I will click email right here. Then I need to click on request code. And I will wait the code on my Gmail. As you can see, I have received the code, so I will open it. Right here is my code, so I can copy this from here. And let's paste it on Western Union app. Then click on submit. Then you can set your passcode. I will do it later, so we'll click maybe later. And as you can see, my account on Western Union is ready to use. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.